Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact link you want encoded and selecting a QR generator tool. Use the live, final URL and prefer HTTPS to prevent warnings. Once done, pick the output size and error correction level. Higher correction allows logos and damage tolerance. Make sure you know if you need PNG, SVG, or print-ready PDF. This step saves backtracking later because format and correction affect scannability and design choices. So lock them in before you paste the link. Next, paste the verified URL into the generator and double-check characters. Even one typo breaks the link. Choose an error correction level. M or Q balances size and resilience. H if you will overlay a logo. Select output format based on use. SVG for scaling, PNG for quick use. Customize color and add a small logo, but make sure foreground contrast and the quiet zone stay intact. These changes look good, but can reduce scan reliability if overdone. Finally, export the QR at the resolution and file type you decided. For print, use SVG or a high DPI PNG. For screens, a standard PNG is fine. Then test scanning with several phones and camera apps to confirm it opens the right link. If scanning fails, increase error correction, restore black-on-white contrast, or enlarge the code and re-export. Once tests pass, distribute the file and keep a copy of the original settings so you can reproduce the same code later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.